Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Geometry Dash and your device OS are up to date, and you're signed into the same account used for backups. Next, verify your network. Use stable Wi-Fi or a reliable mobile connection to avoid interrupted transfers. Then locate existing save files. Look for local save and any previously exported backup on your device or cloud. Once you have these basics, you're ready to perform the first corrective steps to resolve the backup failed error. Next, you'll handle the middle work. Clear cache and app data, but only after exporting a local copy. This preserves progress if clearing reset settings. If the error comes from a corrupted save, copy a known good save. DAT into the game's storage or import your manual backup. Then force the cloud sync by signing out and signing back into your account and trigger a manual upload. These steps resolve common conflicts between local and cloud states and rebuild a clean sync baseline. Finally, confirm success. Open Geometry Dash and check the in-game cloud indicator and timestamp to ensure the backup completed. If the problem persists, test the same account on another device to isolate whether the issue is device-specific, or create a temporary fresh account to determine if account corruption is the cause. Make sure to keep a copy of save. DAT. If all else fails, gather device model, OS version, and your save file, and contact support for deeper assistance. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.